should clear the facts that it is the third defeat in consecutive matches which Pakistan has faced. So it's a very
Second match of Champions Trophy. Bangladesh is 100 for 5 and 28 over. Literally, they're destroying Bangladesh badly. Should Pakistan?
Okay, I remember whenever in big tournament occurred, Indian used to be very swift and very swift. I agree with you, but after Rashid Bhai is arguing that I think have sympathies with them. Akib, I totally agree with you, but still Babar should hike his pace because Akib 80 plus.
So sports में बड़ी happenings चल रही हैं and Tahir bhai is with us today. How are you, Tahir bhai?
मैं good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai, alhamdulillah. And how do you see this match, Tahir bhai? Pakistan have faced a defeat again against New Zealand Kiwis, and New Zealand look like a very strong team which will play well in this Champions Trophy. How do you see this, Tahir bhai?
Akib, here I should clear the facts that it is the third defeat in consecutive matches which Pakistan has faced. So it's a very solid state of affair, very alarming for us. And I think Pakistani team should pull their socks up because New Zealand is not a big team from which we can expect such sort of pressure which our team is getting. So I think here are in real world big surgeries are demanded, and Mohsin Naqvi Saab should take action and should parachute the players in the team on a merit basis. They should he should again Akib, it is the time for interference of Mohsin Naqvi. Because there are few lacks we have seen in the selection because no proper bowler or batsman have been added, out of form, out of flavor, out of touch players have been added, so this thing can cost us very bad.
Tahir bhai, how are you seeing performance of Salman Ali Agha in last couple of matches? He's getting runs. Yesterday also he scored 40-50, playing spin quite well. Do you think he's slowly establishing himself as a player? Now obviously he's the vice captain of the team, more responsibility on his dire shoulders. He's also bowling 4-5 overs for Pakistan regularly.
Salman Ali Agha is Akib good pick. I repeat, good pick because he is the one who is performing almost consistently, not only bowling, batting and fielding as well. We still remember his catch. What a pure athleticism. So I think Salman Ali Agha should be polished and it should be the permanent part of our squad because after that we are not seeing any regular player in the form and in physical fitness as well. So it's a good pick.
And Tahir bhai, India, our next match is against India. They are currently playing against Bangladesh. Second match of Champions Trophy. Bangladesh is 100 for 5 and 28 overs. Literally, they're destroying Bangladesh badly. Should Pakistan fear that? And obviously, India is a very, very tough opponent, and you can never take India lightly.
Akib, I remember whenever any big tournament occur, Indians used to be very swift and very smart in those tournaments, right? So India will be very happy that Akib, it's shaking, I think. And Akib, I think India will be very happy after seeing our defeat, but unfortunately, still our team might not be that much serious as they should have been. So I think it's the best time for Pakistani team because water is our whole body is just dove in the water. If we will still not learn from our mistakes, it will be very difficult for us to at least clear our first stage. Otherwise, we might be seeing the drop out of our team.
And Tahir bhai, Afghanistan captain Ashmatullah Shahidi is also saying that we have the full potential to reach the next round of Champions Trophy. As we are saying about Pakistan struggling, Afghanistan is rising, and you cannot completely keep them out of the equation as well.
Okay, please read it.
Tahir bhai, Afghanistan captain has also said that they are fully hopeful that his team will be able to reach the second round of Champions Trophy, which is the semi-final. And you cannot take Afghanistan lightly considering Pakistan is struggling. They are also a pretty good team in one day.
Akib, you are totally right. And to be honest, right from the day one, I haven't taken the Afghanistan team very lightly. Since incursion of Umar Gul, Inzi by Rashid by Yunus Khan have been done there, their team is stupendously performing well. So I think Pakistani team should take Afghanistan as serious as compared to Australia, New Zealand and South Africa as well. So but I was expecting that Pakistani team should easily conquer the Afghanistan. But if we look at the progress or strength of our team, it is very difficult to conquer Afghanistan as well.
And Tahir bhai, there is no clearance statement yet given by Rashid Latif bhai as well on that Rashid Khan Wasim Akram debate. Rashid bhai is still very silent.
Akib, I totally agree with you, but Akib, Rashid Bhai is, I think, have sympathies with them. That's why he's very silent.
Tahir bhai, what do you say about Babar Azam's innings yesterday? People were criticizing him a lot that he scored 90 balls, 64, even though you know that Babur Sher was struggling for form and he was the lone warrior in yesterday's match after Fakhr got out. How do you see?
Akib, I totally agree with you, but still Babar should hike his pace because Akib 80 plus balls and 50 runs is just not justifiable. You should have to run and play according to the field. Otherwise, there is no need of such 50 runs or centuries as well, which are not contributing in the winning phase of your team.
Even Salman Agha is saying that if you want to become better as a team, you have to bring in consistency. Or do you see even Rizwan is saying that we are taking next match as just a normal game of cricket?
But Akib, I think if they are taking next game as a normal game of cricket, it's a not good thing. I think they should pull their socks up and play like a warrior, act like a warrior, and live like the warrior. Otherwise, Akib, there is no need for Pakistani team to at least play upcoming match.
Lastly, Tahir, before we conclude this video, obviously you saw that Haris Rauf is having an injury and he's struggling with the ball, and you have Mohammad Hasnain in the squad. Even though Hasnain also at times becomes very expensive, do you think that the management will drop Rauf because of injury and play Hasnain, as Rauf was very expensive in the
I think Akib Rauf should be dropped. If not dropped, Rauf should be sacked himself voluntarily. Because Akib Hasnain is a good voice, he's a good pacer. No doubt he was also out of the flavour in the past game. But now he's fully fit and he can contribute well.
consistent chances.
Yeah, Akib, it's a good choice and change should be made.
Chalo, Tahir bhai, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to do another video. So, guys, that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports Years for more content like this. Till then, it is goodbye from me and Tahir bhai. Good, give yourself and Allah Hafiz.